Mom doesn't know where we're going. We're going to Big Bay State Park up on Madeline Island right now. We are currently in Great Lakes Visitor Center? Something like that.
It's Great Lakes Visitor Center in Ashland.
Yeah, we're currently trying to wait the rain out a little bit so that way we get some time without the rain. We'll see. But yeah. Started the video a little late just because, again, rain. So we've been staying in Hayward because we had the Berkey Trail run yesterday. But yeah, just exploring this, waiting some more rain out. We took about an hour's drive, about an hour and a half, something like that. So catch up on.
Lost the money. Gee, this feels familiar all of a sudden. It's like I'm here, okay, I come over here, it's like I can even smell it. The same smell. Well, we made it to Bayfield. We're waiting at the Madeline Island ferry. So, there's her mom. Are you excited? As you can see, it is still raining. Here, let me show you. That's what the wind chill looks like right now. So, hopefully we'll load soon and then I will see what happens. Well, we are currently on the ferry on our way to Madeline Island. And other than the rain, apparently I forgot my hiking boots. So, thankfully I have an extra pair of boots I keep in the car. I don't want to be hiking in cowboy boots. That's not fun. And Mom over here is going tourist crazy with her camera. Veronica! Veronica, how's the Veronica? And I had to come. So, a few minutes we'll be on the island. And we got this idiot in front of us who's sitting right next to the sign that says, "Motors must be stopped and brakes left off." Basically have your vehicle turned off and their vehicle's still sitting on. Why? I don't know. I mean, the sign's right next to them, so we'll see. We made it to the first stop at Big Bay State Park, so a little wet, so I got a little, yes, that is thunder. So I got a little, I don't know, DIY cover. There, let me show you what this first stop looks like. So, still a little rain in the area, definitely thunder, we can hear it. So we still got some rain protected and that, but yeah, we're gonna explore what we can, and yeah, as long as we're off the island by 5, 6 o'clock, we're good. We explored about, what, 2 hours worth of Madeline Island? Yeah, about 2 hours worth. Now we're on the ferry back, and apparently it's very rough waters because the car is jarring back and forth. She's in park and she's turned up, but she's still moving back and forth. What do you think, Veronica?
It's weird.
I know, right? It's also really weird because we're going in the darkness, but I got sun over here, so it's bright, and I have to have my sunglasses on, which is really weird. It really is. So, yeah, we are starting to fog up too. So, slowly getting rain, getting foggy. Small little band going through right now.
We're going sideways.
Yeah. So, yeah. It's a fun ride back
Stare
and
at a
forth.
solid area. Don't stare at the water.
Yeah. Oh, there you go, car just shut off.
Don't stare at
But,
the
yeah.
cars.
Started
No,
coming
I
back
said stare at the solid
from
area.
Big
Up
Bay
there.
State Park. I started hiking back.
Yeah.
We could hear thunder, so a little bit of lightning in. That's right around where we turned around. So we got back to the car, and then it started sprinkling. So thankfully we got back before it got too hard. As soon as we get in the car, it just harder. Like not hard, but you know, hard enough to be happy you're in the car. So yeah, we're just having fun going back and forth right now. Really, Mom?
I hate rides.
You and me both. Here, let me show you a bit of our scenery right now. Foggy window, but then out here. Can't roll my window down right now, but
You didn't get the rain. I got the rain.
no, the car's off.
Oh.
So yeah, you see the car going back and forth a little bit. Yeah.
Whatever.
We're almost back to Bayfield. We're gonna get some dinner as soon as Mom decides where she wants.
I don't.
Hi there, I'm talking for my sister because she's losing her voice. And yesterday after we got off the ferry, we went to eat at a place. She'll edit in where it was. We had good homemade food there and then headed back. And today we're headed back home. Dreary. Or what? Oh, we're headed to Straight Lake State Park. And another very dreary day. Made it to Straight Lake, and yes, my voice is going. Got a small window before the rain picks up. It's still very light. So I got my makeshift stuff, but I'm gonna explore here for a little bit and then we're gone. So yeah, I hate rain. I mean, I like it, but I hate it, especially after our backpacking trip. Well, we made it to Willow River Falls, so we're gonna walk the half a mile or so down to the falls and show you what it looks like. And yes, my voice is getting worse and worse, and Veronica refuses to talk anymore. So Mom is somewhere behind me. Our descent is very steep. Let me show you. Look at that. Stop. And then, that's the way it's going up. So yeah, it's only less than a half a mile, but it's a hike. So I can already start to hear falls a little bit from here, so we're almost there. But yeah, the classic, it looks flatter on the map. So, I'll show you what it looks like when we get there. Yesy butts. Well, we made it back to the car just as it's starting to rain. So, it's last stop. Now we're headed home. It was gorgeous. Mom said she got a good hike, so we're just taking a little bathroom break before we get on our way. And water break for the yahoos. But yeah, we're wrapping this up now.